Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Store open and close immediately with a second, or Microsoft Store is not opening on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer guys. Let's fix that guys. I am getting the same problem whenever I open Microsoft Store. It comes and close immediately guys. I fixed before. I show you guys how to fix it. Go to search menu and type WSRESET. Search menu and type WSRESET. Run command. Click on it, and this get process is open Microsoft. If you not get resolved by this, let's go to next step, guys. Let's wait. This is processing. If you not get resolved, close out of here and go to search menu and type troubleshoot. TROUBLE. Troubleshoot setting. Open it, and here you need to click on other troubleshooters and scroll down guys until the end. Here option Windows Store apps, run it, detecting for problems guys. This will automatically repair your Windows Store apps. Close the troubleshooters. If the Microsoft Store is working, if not working means let's move on to the third step guys. Go to search menu and type Microsoft Store. You need to right click on the Microsoft Store and you need to click on apps setting. In here you need to scroll down guys, go to reset option. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair the apps. Data won't it be affected. Click on repair guys. After getting repaired, go to Microsoft Store and run it guys. If not working, if this app is still now isn't working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. Click on it guys. This will permanently delete the app data on this device including your preference and sign in details. Click on it. Now this will definitely fix your problem guys. If not, you get resolved. Last and finals, go to service and click on run as administrator, and here you need to search for Microsoft install. Search for Microsoft install service, Microsoft Store install service. Click on it, double click on it, and go to startup, type to automatic and click apply. If you not get running here, you need to start running over here and click automatic over here and click apply and okay. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. I hope this tutorial definitely resolve your problems. Thank you.